Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly and today I'm going to be opening up my mystery box of awesome. It has not been opened yet. I was waiting to do this on camera. You guys, what are you doing? Whoops. I do have a couple little bunnies down here that are looking for a treat. Whoops. And I keep dropping things and they're like, Mom, what are you doing? You guys want a cookie? You want a cookie? Come here. Let's see if one of them comes up here to get his cookie. Here. Come here. They usually jump up. Well, one of them jumps up on my lap a lot. All right, forget it. He just wants his cookie. He doesn't want to jump up here. So let me give him his cookie. But for those of you that don't know, I do have a couple of free roam rabbits. They just roam around my house most of the time, except at night. We do have a little enclosure that we put them in at night. All right. Anyway, let's get on with it. So I'm going to do my mystery box of awesome. I'm also going to be pulling two winners for these two books, which is Too Late and Eye Contact. So we'll find out who won those. Not very many people entered, so it's going to be a real easy drawing. So let's start by opening this. Last month's was really good. I did not open it on camera, wish I did, but I got a lot of useful things in that box. I'm not sure, probably other people on YouTube did a video on theirs and we normally all get the same stuff, but good. A couple really cute hampers, some men's socks that I did end up donating because my husband didn't want them and my son didn't want them, but they were brand new. They were really nice. And what else did I get? I don't remember, just a lot of useful stuff. But this is this month, so let's see. Oh, I'm looking. Here's what it looks like so far. Not bad. All right, so let's start with this. This is a Squishmallow. Squishmallow. What are they called? It's a Winston Mood Light. That's really, really cute. I think my daughter might like this. I mean, she's 16, but she collects these stuffed animals that look like this. I wonder if this is the same type of thing. I don't know. I'm gonna have to ask her. But let's see if I can get it out. Let's see here. I hope she wants it because I'm ripping up the box. Let's see. Okay, so it looks like it's rechargeable, right? Because it's got this. And it also runs on batteries. And what are you supposed to do? I'm sure it's not charged and there's no battery, so it's not going to work. But, and okay, so there's a switch on and off here. So where is the cord? I don't know if it even came with one or if that's something that they just assume we all have, which most of us do. Not everybody, but most of us do, and I think I do. But yeah, I do not see a cord in here to charge it or plug it in. It says it's USB cable not included. All right, it does say that right there. So, all right, it's cute. It's really, really cute. All right, so there's that. Let's move on. Why don't we? Let's just pick something blindly. Okay. I like my mystery box of awesome. This costs $25 a month, and it's the big box. There's also a $10 a month box that you could get, and you get 3 to 5 items, I think, in that box for $10. I used to get that one, and then I just decided to get the bigger one. But it's a lot of fun, and I'll put the link in my description box if you want to try it. Kewpie perfume. Now, I've been getting into a lot of different perfumes lately. I don't much like floral scents. I'm not really sure. Is this really just perfume? Let's see. For external use on the body, spray on appropriate amount on the neck, wrist, behind the ears, and yeah, all right. So here's what it looks like here. It's pretty, comes in a pretty bottle. My lips are all dry. I wish this was like a lip balm. All right, anyway, let's go ahead. Should we try it? I'm gonna put it in the cap. Not for me. Not for me. This smells like a man. This definitely smells like a man. Yeah, it says it's black pepper, amber, bergamot, and citrus. I don't know. To me, it smells like it's for a man. It smells like a man's cologne to me. All right. I'd be curious to see what other people say, you know, about that. So I'm probably going to look online at other people's mystery box of awesome and see if they got the same thing. All right. We got some more thermal socks. Very nice. And these are nice. So I'll keep these, even if they are for a dude, a man. Thermal insulated socks. Shoe size 6 to 12. I think they are for men, but I'm going to keep these. Nice. Let's see. Let's open them. I'm curious. I should have put on something on my lips. I hate when they're dry like that. Throw that away. All right. I'm just opening the socks here. I'm gonna check them out because I know most of us have never seen socks before. It's a brand new concept. Let's see. Yeah, those are cute. I don't think these are for a man. They do look kind of long though, like, you know, big. So maybe, I don't know. But get a couple pair, black and the plaid. So yeah, they're cute. All right, I will get some use out of the socks for sure. Okay, so that's a good deal. What else did we get? I feel like I'm opening something like what Keely Joy, I don't know if you guys watch her, you probably do, but she gets these mystery boxes and it's a lot of fun. I love watching those, but it's like undeliverable mail or something, which kind of confuses me because if it's not deliverable, doesn't it go back to sender? So I don't really understand how they get all that stuff, but that's kind of what it is it's undeliverable mail and return mail or something. I don't even know. I don't understand it. These are, looks like garment bags. I don't know, for like dresses or something. They're really long. So, I don't know. Storage bags. They smell like plastic. Yeah, they're both identical, so I don't know if I'd really get any use out of these at all. I will have to see if I can think of something to use those with. I don't know. And then what else did I get here? It feels like a book. Something wonderful is about to happen. It's a 17-month updated planner. I already have a planner and I paid for it. What? Oh, look it. It's like, it's dated. You know what I mean? So like you can use it any year you want. Okay, so this is what the pages look like, and you just fill out the date. Okay, it says it's easy to begin at any time of year. Weekly calendar views, monthly calendar views. All right, blank pages. So that's nice. It's not filled in, so I could actually use this, and I probably will once I'm done with my other planner. So very pretty. Am I done? Let me see. Is there anything else in this box? No. All right. That was my mystery box of awesome. So let's go ahead and draw a winner for the book Too Late. I only had a couple people, 2 to be exact, enter to win this. And then I had 3 people enter to win this. So I'll go ahead and draw for Too Late first, and we'll see who won that. We shuffle all of these entries. All right. So Diana, you won this one. You won Too Late. So I'm going to put, I believe Diana also wanted the eye contact book. Let me just make sure, and I'm going to confirm that. It's only going to take a minute of your time. Let me see. So I had Sam Lynn wanted, okay, so she's in there. And then Kim and Diana. Okay, so I have to put Kim in here. So let's put Kim in here, and then we'll go ahead and see who won. Where's all my names? They were over here, I thought. We don't know. All right. Of course, I don't know where my names went. Let me see if they're over here. I might have to push pause really quick. So I'm back. So no, I did not find my little stickies with names. So I'm going to put Kim's name here. And this is for, this is Kim's Happy Place. So I'm just going to put her name on a piece of paper in here. And we're just going to draw a name. And it's just going to be the first one I pick up, you guys. I know the texture of Kim's name is going to be different. So if I draw her name, it's probably going to look like I'm cheating, but I'm not. It's going to be the first one I touch, okay? So we're just going to do it that way because I don't know what else to do. I don't know where my stickies are. So if I touch her name first, that's who's going to win. And it's going to be for this book, Eye Contact, okay? So I'm not cheating. If it's Kim's name, I swear it's going to be the first one I touch. And that was nobody. All right, so Sam Lynn, first one I touched. So you won the book Eye Contact, okay? So what you guys need to do is comment on this video that you've seen this video, comment, and then email me at Kelly, Kellie, 1969 at iCloud.com. And I need your address and your full names. Again, I know that Sam Lynn, I believe you just won a couple books from me, and I probably still have that email sitting around, but just in case, again, please email it to me. I know it's kind of redundant, but I need you to do that. All right. All right, today is, I don't even know, Tuesday, so I'll give you until Thursday night to get a hold of me. If not, I need to draw more names because I need to get these out of here. Going on a cruise about the 20th of this month, and I just kind of wanted to get all these giveaways mailed out before I leave. All right, thank you for watching, everybody. Please like, subscribe, comment down below, and have a great day. Bye.